Jesse Plemons is really comfortable with singing and had prepared to sing the song live. I put an earpiece, we call them earwigs, in his off-camera ear. That's his right ear. When Vince gave the cue, I hit play and fed it to Jesse like he was listening to the radio. There's an outtake somewhere of Aaron singing along.
I'd like to get to know you better. Is there a place where we can go, where we can be alone together, turn the lights down low, ooh, start sharing the night together, whoa, yeah, sharing the night together. What's your mind? Sharing the night. What's your mind? Sharing the night together.